Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cardboard box. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a sturdy piece of cardboard, a reliable ruler, a sharp craft knife, and some strong adhesive. Make sure your cardboard is clean and free from any previous markings. Also, prepare a safe, flat work surface to ensure precision and prevent any accidents while you are working on your project. Now, let's move on to measuring and scoring your cardboard. Begin by precisely marking your desired box dimensions onto the material. For example, a common size might be 10 inches by 8 inches by 6 inches. Use a ruler and a scoring tool, or the back of a craft knife, to create crisp, straight fold lines. Remember to score gently, applying just enough pressure to indent the cardboard without cutting through it completely. Next, it's time to cut and fold your box shape. Carefully cut along the outer perimeter of your marked box template using your craft knife. Once cut, gently fold all the scored lines inward to begin forming the three-dimensional structure of your box. Ensure that all your folds are sharp and align perfectly. This precision is crucial for creating a sturdy and well-formed final product that will hold its shape effectively. Finally, let's assemble and secure your box. Apply a strong adhesive, such as craft glue or heavy-duty tape, to the tabs you've created. Press the joined box sides together firmly, holding each seam for at least 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. For optimal strength, allow the adhesive to fully cure for several hours, perhaps 2 to 4 hours, before placing any items inside your newly crafted cardboard box. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.